scientists uses the fruit fly to understand human development and stress factors.
Or to study some diseases.
To do that, scientists use a developmental timing experiment,
which is manually performed and needs a lot of time, day and night.
But now,
there is FlyGear, a robot that automates the count of poopy.
FlyGear is extremely easy to use. You just have to put your tubes on it, set the software, and put the FlyGear into the incubator to start your experiment. The data will become readily available on your smartphone or laptop,
thanks to the cloud service.
Forever. What are the advantages of FlyGear?
Save time and human effort to spend it on other tasks.
Increase performance.
Precision.
Standardization.
FlyGear sustainable. Don't need special tubes. Save money. Improve your results with FlyGear.